ఇంగ్లీషు తెలుగు మిక్సా? ఇంగ్లీష్. ఓకే, టెల్ మీ.
When you prayed to me, in the worship we prayed, somebody was healing from tumors. On that time I visited the God. On that time yesterday midnight from 2 o'clock, I get a bad dream. While I wake up in the morning, I see me a small amount of tumor in the underarm. I prayed, but suddenly a brother called from Manchigar to me, and he said, "Are you got any dream last night?" He asked me, "Yes, brother, I got some bad dreams. How is your body now?" Some body pains I'm struggling with some nervous and cold. He suddenly told, "Are you going to church?" "Yes, I am going to church." "You go. Some unknown person in the worship, you will heal in the church." He said like that. "Why, brother, you not pray for me?" Means I asked him. No, you go to church. Some miracle you will see in the church. He told like that. But I don't know. Someone speaker will come to the church to our church today. I don't know about this. But after coming to church, while I am participating in worship, you told that tumor is gone. Today is there.
హల్లెలూయా. ప్రభు గడ్డకు పాపం నుంచి ప్రభువు సంపూర్ణంగా స్వస్థతలు కలుగునుగా, మంచి ఆరోగ్యం కలుగునుగా, గొప్ప అద్భుతం జరగాలి. నజరేయుడైన యేసు నామం ప్రభు ఇంకా మంచి సాక్షిగా నిలబడండి. యేసు నామములో. ఆమేన్.